Hello and welcome to another Scalable software tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to display clients using our software. To start, make sure you have our software installed on your system. Next, you are going to want to make sure that your software has the appropriate licensing. If you need assistance with that, please refer to our video showing how to request and apply your Scalable license. Once you have the software open on your computer, you are going to want to click the Display Client page. If you are only going to use local clients for your program, make sure that the Local Display Client Only button is marked, and then click on the icon located in the bottom right of the screen. If you want to use Remote Display Clients, click on the Remote Display Clients button, and this screen will pop up. Ensure that all of the IPs have been verified and are available for use. If any IPs are found to be unavailable, kindly address this issue before proceeding further. If the color is red, this means that your software is unable to connect to the display client. If the color is yellow, this means that the display client is already being used by another system. And if the color is green, that means your client is available and ready for use. To add an available display client, you will want to click on the option you want on the left-hand side, and then hit the Assign button located in the middle of the screen. You will know that the display client is already licensed on your system by noticing the green check mark on the right of the name, located under License Status. If your display client is not licensed on your system, you will notice an orange icon under License Status. To add a license to a display client, you will want to click on the orange check mark, and it will ask you if it is okay to use one of your remaining licenses on this current display client, and you will want to click the OK button. To remove a display client, please click on the assigned display client you want to remove, and hit the Remove button located in the middle of the screen. If you were having an issue with a previous display client and needed to refresh your display client list, hit the Refresh button located in the middle of the screen. Scalable Display Manager will always output a scalable mesh file that SDK integrated applications can use to apply the warp and blend. If instead of an SDK integrated application, you would like to directly apply the warp and blend in the graphics driver, check the Apply Warp and Blend in Graphics Driver button. To make sure your changes have been applied, click on the Projectors panel in the top left of the screen. This is what you should see on your projection screen. If you have any issues, please contact the support team. That's all we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.